Chief Minister Okramibo Singh takes on Nagaland Chief Minister over his ignorant remarks on Manipur's history. BJP Manipur Pradesh criticizes Nagaland Chief Minister for challenging the integrity of the state. Manipur University Vice-Chancellor in charge submits resignation letter to HRD Ministry. Students surrender ID cards. And 24-hour general strike called by tribal students hits live in the hill districts of Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangwa Monica bringing you the top stories. Taking a dig at the Nagaland Chief Minister Okramibo today said Manipur was an independent nation before it became a part of India. He said Nagaland was created by carving out a portion of Assam. Chief Minister Ibobi has taken serious objections to the manner in which the Nagaland Chief Minister spoke about the unification of Naga inhabited areas. He said the Nagaland Chief Minister has not understood the history of Manipur and warned him that his dream will never materialize. Speaking at the inauguration of the new building of MG Narega and State Institute of Rural Development at DC Complex, Porompat, Ibobi said Chief Minister T.R. Ziliang must mind his own business. He also maintained that his government in Nagaland is under the mercy of some organizations. Ibobi also alleged that instead of focusing on the development of his own state, T.R. Ziliang is trying to disintegrate Manipur. Ibobi also said Ziliang must know that Nagaland was carved out of Assam during Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's time and must not expect an inch of Manipur's land.
Mr. T.R. Ziliang, Kanagumba organization Kragi Makada, Sason Toba State Neva. Moigi day-to-day affairs that put things in Bakoi Pamjade, Moigi Lam, even a single inch of Pamsu Pamjade, Akoi Manipur the Gizo Asata Virunu, Manipur Hibisni, Tonganba history of Malaysia. India ki part ama bosu never wairam dieba. Nagaland city Ashangi part ama wairam baneo. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru na moisi nungsibiba haiba tare. Atongan by administration ama leijabana moisi phagani haina state ama waina Assam dagi lawthoga pibiram mani. Mr. T.R. Ziliang, you should know the history of the entire country, entire northeastern region, and particularly Manipur. Mana la abasi la amaga mana ngangi buase ai mangonda I feel pity for him.
BJP Manipur Pradesh has also vehemently criticized the Nagaland Chief Minister for challenging the integrity of the state. BJP MLA Thongam Biswajit alleged that Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Ziliang made an attempt to disintegrate the people of Manipur in a speech at Naga conference in Senapati headquarters yesterday. Speaking to media at the party's office at Nichai Pageant today, the MLA questioned the stand of Manipur government when the Nagaland Chief Minister is trying to create tension among the people. He said the words South Nagalim had in the past created problems in the state. Biswajit questioned why the state government remained silent when it knew that the purpose of the visit of the Nagaland Chief Minister. He said the BJP will never go together with NPF under NEDA as it challenges the integrity of Manipur. Former Minister Nongthongwam Biren, who recently joined the BJP, said Manipur government need to take a firm stand while fighting the threats against the state's integrity. Senior spokesperson of the party, Okram Joy, said it is against the Constitution of India to threaten the integrity of another state. Joy also said no one is above the law and the government of Manipur should file a case against T.R. Ziliang.
Alim Haibasi Makuni Semjaba, Masi Layram the Posak Ama, Makuni Semgani, Haibasina Maram Porga Manipurda, Akogi Masina, reaction Tolpoyaba, Adu Hanadakisu, Akaiba Mayama Pirakalai, Manipurda Tari, Akogi Miki Marakta, Akaiba Tolapa Mayam, she state government in a Hadiba, Sigi Agenda, Amapurga, Haibasi, Kangani Haibasi, Akogi Wakanda Lazy Praja, Amawena, Mamang the Karak, Kangang Karak, the Disangbayaro, Sanbayani, had nothing docking in the Lagraga, Sigumba Agenda, Amayorga, Posida Karikita thing dana quick comments in 2 minutes topono.
The Labour government, Ziggy, Swanza, Hagadra, Haising, the Hagadra, Congress government, the Manipur to guiding Bamiga, Yaldana, Manipur to guide the Bagia, Porum, Ashin, the Antona, Labactiva, or in Equidana, Ramadobzina, Mahamas, Hungre, Madudi, Manipurgi, Lam Inchi Amata, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯣꯁꯇꯤꯚꯂꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯈꯩꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯁꯥꯁꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯠ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤꯅ ꯇꯣꯂꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ.
Manipur People's Party MPP today demanded Manipur government to take appropriate action against Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Ziliang, who allegedly spoke against in the interest of the state. Nagaland Chief Minister had attended the Naga Village Authority Conference at Tagaramphung local ground in Senapati district yesterday. Addressing media persons at MPP office, MPP Vice President Administration Oinam Jugindro said Nagaland Chief Minister made the statement which could disturb the territorial integrity of the state. He also questioned why the state government is not taking any action against the Nagaland Chief Minister. Jugindro questioned whether there are some hidden agenda, as the government had no issue when Nagaland Chief Minister was welcomed under the banner Welcome to South Nagaland. He said the silence is the cause of the Indo-Naga Agreement signed in 1972 by UNIC, All India Congress Party and MPCC.
Manipur ki Chief Minister Wiriwa Asina Manipur government karimba wahayam wahayam amdabase moina Congress Party urubana makoina sin putharubana hariwa posi moina phong na sanghilak pangambane. Welcome to South Nagaland haiba pose masidesu Manipur state government karimba wahayam wahayabase masi kadai hila ibano habda UNIC ga United Naga Council ga Congress ga All India National Congress Party se masiga yana se ama inigi base masina yumpham moiraga masida haiba ngamdabane. Manipur gi territorial integrity da karigumba kanagumba mapanji miyoina khangde manungi miyoina khangde singnar ba khudingmak aikoi Manipur Political Party na madigi damakta thauna phana lepkani.
Vice Chancellor in charge of Manipur University, Professor T.H. Jikendra, today submitted his resignation letter to the HRD Ministry. In another development in Manipur University, OBC, SC, minority and unreserved students today surrendered their ID cards to the MU authority. Professor T.H. Jikendra is the second Vice Chancellor in charge of the university to resign from the post in the wake of the students' agitation over seat reservation. The students have been protesting the UGC team's directive to follow the Central Educational Institutions Reservation in Admission Amendment Act 2012. A large number of students today took out a protest march towards the administrative block. Some student representatives made the registrar and submitted the ID cards of the students to him in his office. The Vice Chancellor in charge also held a meeting with deans of the university. Sources said the meeting discussed yesterday's visit of the UGC team. Meanwhile, some representatives of the students met with the Manipur governor requesting her to resolve the reservation issue. They submitted a memorandum to the governor. President of Manipur University Scheduled Caste Students Association, Salam Roman, said the resolution of the Academic Council was sent to the President requesting his assent. He said the visit of the UGC team to the university is against the interests of the Academic Council and students.
Makoina Tauriba Makoi Exi, Yamana Fazidaba Ekamania, Lorokan, the Koi Satra Mayamzi, Master in a Koi studentship to design Togere, Koi head of the institution, or video was a registrar, Koi Sinazarame, Koi Ikar Amadi, Koi detailsing Aduga, Koinazu, Togzaribasi, Ozazing is Saru Yori, Benimam, the Massim Makoi, Kai, people, the Academic Council, Yori Benina, Hazik Darka, Lady Mama, Tanda, resigned to Budunate, Apunba, Lady Ba, Koi Kai, people. Manungsan na ikai piwi manungsan leiba punbo ojasing koi academic council ki membership ta resign to bodar lei adagi din dagi member to resign to bodar lei sifum basing che khoi ya de na khangal kanda koi normal si do halakani haina aina asa tawi koi kanam ta ojasing da zumicham khai na ni yengsu leite.
Manipur University Teachers Association MUTA has strongly condemned the manner of visiting UGC team which handles the current impasse in Manipur University. In a press release, MUTA called for an emergency general body meeting tomorrow 11:30 am at its office to discuss the developments in Manipur University and restore normalcy on the campus. The 24-hour general strike called by All Tribal Students Union of Manipur and Manipur University Tribal Students Union in protest against the admission impasse in Manipur University has affected life in the hill districts of the state. The Band hit normal life in Chandil district. Members of Kuki Students Organization enforced Band in Chandil, Tengnopal and More in support of the general strike. All kinds of vehicles remained off the road during the general strike in these areas. Shops and markets remained closed in More. However, essential services were relaxed. The 24-hour general strike also hit live in Tamenglong district. Vehicles remained off the roads in Tamenglong town and shops and markets down the shutters. Educational institutions also remained closed. Education and Transport Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar today launched a website of Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. The website will provide information on the works taken by the Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, for the differently abled persons and problems facing by differently abled persons. The launch was held at the quarters of Minister Ratan Kumar at Babupara. Speaking at the event, the minister encouraged the differently abled persons to strive for their dreams. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, submitted a charter of demands to the minister. Minister Ratan Kumar assured them that efforts will be made to meet the demands.
Physically, I award for lay. Award for lay. Madurai Tona and Gadonate, Hena Maru, the inner strength. Nungi over Sati said, Masiamda, Masi Kanbatai, Masi Kalakanda, I want that is one of the Tori by Himba, Kutsagi, Hastingba, Masi Akuputopi, the Masito, Matana, Masi Hobi over the Natana, Kanabamasu, Samasa, the Piri, like him with Nenaba, I think I earning income Mamas who go to Hizaba, Sinjaba said, Masida, Luenama. Madura dedicate to the Herga, Madura compliment to one after.
In yet another development in BJP Manipur Pradesh, State Executive Member of the party and former Director of Social Welfare, Director G. Satyabati Devi, resigned from the BJP today. She spoke to media at Wahingbam Lekai to announce her resignation. Satyabati said she joined the BJP as she believed in the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 11, 2015 and worked for strengthening the party. She said she left the party as she was not satisfied with the party leaders. She alleged that the BJP leaders have accepted persons who are no more favoured by the people as its members. Satyabati also accused the BJP of maintaining silence on Naga Framework Agreement and ILP issues. She maintained that she will contest the 11th Assembly polls in Sagolban from a party which is an alliance of the NDA.
Boot level committee ki meeting ama pangthok law matung da miyam na ibu BJP se thadok lo aikoi pumna maksu BJP se dagi support to se tok lasi aduga aikoi tong tongan wa party ama da support toraga Manipur gi ama di iramdam Sagolban asigi saukhat na ba irei kai asigi saukhat na ba so na rasi haiba wafam asi thamlak padagi aikoi ngarang 19 October 2016 sidagi aikoi gi support tawiriba miyam adagi aikoi gi active members sing isamak yauna aikoi BJP dagi resign tawre haina aikoi se pisinjagre boot level committee gi meeting ama
Kundrapam constituency Zilla Parisat and 7 Gram Panchayat members today joined the BJP. Former Deputy Director of Horticulture Mission K.H. Ratan Kumar from Khurai Chingangbam Lekai also joined the party today. All of them were welcomed at BJP head office at Nichaipa Chutek. Speaking at the function, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Khetrimayum Vavananda said many leaders are joining the party and they are optimistic that Congress party can be defeated.
ngasi Manipur da tawri ba sarkar se Taiwan na ba sarkar amane one development haraga jum pangsa da saraga dukan pangsa da saraga madu development en chingi ngasi ima kaithil jengbiyo kaithil ama sagraga ima mayam je pangpham da phamaga moi machin pangfu da funaraga namna na khona mayam am tawraga panglei de leine na khalle ba kaithil phami ba laira ba nomagi sara tanjaraga laiba ima iben isan nisa mayam dune moi ge kari scheme leigrage ba mananga chi dolan fora dolan am sabire dukan phajabam sare dukan manung du phami ba mi mayam dugi kari yai phana na ba mangna ngasi government si de scheme kari lei policy kari lei kari program lei kari lokthok re mana
BJP Manipur Pradesh Legislative Wing Leader MLA K.H. Joy Kishan today attacked Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar for misleading the public and violating the Constitution. MLA Joy Kishan made the statement at a motor rally at Andro organized by BJP Andro Mandal as a part of campaign against Speaker. He said the partiality shown by the Speaker during the disqualification of MLAs misled the people. The MLA also accused the government of not developing Andro. The motor rally was also attended by BJP aspiring candidate K. Ningthemjao.
Pichibi ke lanjau thokring aida Manipur gi lambi gi phiba kamaina lege haibase angang da larik takpa taragadi andro kendra pura ga takpa chap chagani madu film number singna upul khwaige thokpa lambi ema thiba darkar leire haraga andro kendra chalaga nambiyu haibase masimaina thamjari Shri Ibobi amadi lamdam asige MLA na Central Road Fund 2015 ge January da sanction tawraga chahi ama phador bobokta karigi namjandana thambana haibase andro prajamyam amsu Manipur prajamyam da sengna takphom thui lamdam sige honorable MLA na ijawro bo serbo amla agar namjandana thambada mahangna Shri Ibobi nigina hairaga tumina leisalebase akoina marksi yam thongna pai khalambase marksu chammanaba Shri Ibobi gi kuyomna thamba icham jamba MLA macha ma mana shumat khraba nishana pangthagraba MLA ma oiduna leramle
BJP today held a poster campaign and political conference at Arapti Mayai Lekai in Kairao. The event was held under the initiative of BJP active member Takhelambam Shamanand, who is an aspiring candidate. People from various communities took part in the poster campaign and political conference. Takhelambam Shamanand said he hopes to work for the development of all communities in the constituency.
Sahi Taraga Manga Congress na Sasan Torokpada, Kairao Kendra gi oiriba hauji ki phibamjida asuki matik sothare aikoi gi Kairao Kendra chiti jati kayana khundaba kendrani aduna sugumba jat bijat naina yengba Congress ki sasal ase muthat nabagi damakta aina BJP gi active member ama oina miam gi thong manaba samaj ama corruption leitaba jati bijati khaiduna yengnabagi wakhal amada ai miam gi seba tawjage haiduna ai thoksarakpani.
People in Nambol have smeared the wall posters of the BJP with cow dung after the BJP workers pestered them on the walls without the permission of the families. BJP Manipur Pradesh has launched wall poster campaign in different districts of the state under BJP national leader Amit Shah's directives. People alleged that the BJP workers pasted the posters on the walls in Naurem and Ishok in Nambol during the poster campaign without the knowledge of the family members. A man said if the party workers do not remove the posters in 3 days, he will register a case to the police and take the help of law.
Aigi ima bawsu leitaba aigi chana pam le adusu leitaba mauja da thabak chathogi timing da BJP gi worker haidare mai ani hum laga huran na da aigi yum poster thesalame mana poster theba matam da yum gi ayab lowi law matam da yum kharadi masa yab yum kharadi masa choi yawi adu ai yum da thele posidi soi amda yawdna thesa mirame marile na authority na akoi nimi humni gi manung da hairiba thele mi ga na si khothaba laktar gi ai police da gas jastar ma tawjeng na khalle.
A meeting of Andhra BJP Mandal booth levels agents and office bearers was held today at the residence of Dr. Nimai Chan Luang at Yairipok, Yambem. General Secretary Organization BJP Assam Manipur Punindranath Sharma, Yuva Morcha BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President Premananda Sharma and workers of Andhra BJP Mandal attended the meeting. Punindranath Sharma spoke on the role of booth level workers in elections. Former Ketrigao MLA Thangjam Nandakeshwar said the MLA of the constituency deserved to be boycotted by the people. The former MLA was speaking at the handing over of the Thangjam Thong connecting Kongpal Janam Lekai and Mutum Lekai to the people after its repair today. He said the bridge has remained neglected for a long time, affecting the movement of the people.
Lekai anisi lanthola tinto ko thongasi matam changna khoi gi leiribe MLA sina inghan birakta budagi ati akai ka yawudagi angang bi ta na sokko pan mo phom launa le adu kana bum tan sembi da budagi aina semdan sadalaga machine ka da kuchina jabani lekai gi chapya ya da lambi thong amata su hana yeng dite loina na ka na invite oroga phang to function ju lagte markse public involvement laite ana logju batai matam siga harabadi amna sana draba mi mani na ma ko boycott se ko whole category ko mune ready le ga na kante.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari. ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi Thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai opposite Town Ground Labor Store da Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari. Nupa amasung nupi ki formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makhal khuding makki fizol sing fangbigani. Ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle Store Thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai opposite Town Ground. Nungairba Paujel Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda Myanmar da flight tongluna koiruna bagi achauba khudong chaba ama KB Enterprises na pizari November gi tang kun da chatkhraga tang kun taruk ta halakadabani sopna tagi airfare lising taramanga ka chamanga da Myanmar da chatpiu package ki khudong chaba su fangbigani akupa marol gi damak KB Enterprises MG Avenue Imphal da contact tobiu aikhoi gi mobile number di 9862028656
ai gi thamoina achit pa thasaba thamjari Sri Manipur Joiners. Yumda samlai raka khanbana dikana roi engonda loina thengna khrabani wakhal do wagana lao aikoi kudingo phasarina rase miyam gi apamba design kudingo soidana phanglagani Sri Manipur Joiners.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The biggest project of International Committee of the Red Cross ICRC, Ashagi Mangal, will be launched in the state during this month. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur branch under the project ICRC will launch the project to help the widows below the poverty line. General Secretary of the Red Cross Manipur State Branch, Dr. Y. Mohan, said the project is exclusively undertaken to help widows below the poverty line and those who lost their husband due to AIDS, cancer and encounters. The granted aids of the project will be 40,000 rupees.
Yam wana honaraga Manipur gi widow Saunga kak mateng pangnaba Red Cross ki project si lakpasda khoi Red Cross ki site gi am harauji so phangkham thokpa real needy beneficiaries sing sida yauhannaba message si tawnabai tawta press conference ko jabani purely merit basis ta tawna bahona jagani kitang asoiba badnam leibada project si adom grounded tawgani.
Rural drinking water and sanitation awareness program held in different parts of Visnupur district organized by District Water and Sanitation Committee under Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin concluded today. The concluding function of the 2-week program was held at Sunu Sipai Community Hall, Phubala Gram Panchayat. Resource persons at the function said most of the diseases are spread through water and there is need for using clean water as precautionary measures. Residents of Singjamai Ningthauzam Laikai Liwa Lambi condemned the appointment of another person as agent of SK Oil in Singjamai Ward 13/15 without informing the former agent K. N. Kabita. Speaking to media, the women of the area condemned the appointment of a government employee as agent. And Kabita, wife of late Ningthauzam Subhas, has been serving as PDS agent since 2010. The women protesters asked the officials concerned to look into the matter and demanded appointment of N. Kabita as PDS agent.
Kerosene sinang agent oiba to kholo haiba deposit handok piba amata taudana kerosene agency batle taka aga maniram ko ba tolob saba nupa amada yelan ba ba se akutpa mafam dagi tawthoga atong mafam da thonjen banai aina counselor da isa laga hangjarui ai agent ka isi counselor gi knowledge yaubibra natraga knowledge leibibra hangbada counselor na suma gi knowledge leite haire disi de saluba matamda supply officer je thengna jare supply officer na ai gi jaga so thare kanda sir ai gi agent ka pi si kari maram gi no sar gi knowledge ta kari leibi ge hangba matamda sigi matang da ai gonda knowledge amata leite na haire.
Thadao Students Association General Headquarters has objected to Kuki Literature Society Manipur's proposal for recognition of Kuki tribal dialect in schools up to class 8. Representatives of the association met the Chief Minister and submitted a memorandum in this regard yesterday. TSA in a press release said there is no Kuki language as such and Kuki is a generic term originally referred to the hill tribal people of Chittagong hill tracts in Bangladesh. It said Thadao is an indigenous tribe of Manipur having distinct language, dialect, traditions, costumes, culture, customs and identity. Osteoporosis Day was observed in Manipur today. VLCC Imphal observed the day at its center near Bir Tikendrajit flyover, Uripok. Elderly women took part in the event. Experts also spoke on how to prevent osteoporosis. Sneha Jagyasi, who bagged the Miss Personality title in Miss Tourism World 2016, has arrived in Imphal to judge Miss Notice India. Miss Notice India, presented by Kumarjit Lystrom, will be held at Hotel Imphal on the 22nd of this month. Sneha will also be the showstopper. Sneha Jagyasi, who was the Miss Earth India 2015, took part in Miss Tourism World 2016 and bagged the Miss Personality title.
It's his first pageant that's happening like on a national level, so I wish him all the best and let's hope for the best and let the best girl win so that it's easier for India to win on an international level. This is the first time that I've come in this city, but all the welcome and everything has been really warm, so I really look forward to it and let's see if the tourism of Manipur helps.
A tribal team representing Manipur in the National Tribal Carnival 2016 left Imphal today. Altogether, 69 tribal artists and delegates are representing the state in the carnival to be held in Delhi from October 25 to 28. MLA Victor Kaising flag off the team at Tribal Research Center, Chingmairong. The team will perform traditional dances, song, handicrafts and medicinal food items. The carnival will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. JCM Studios' first production, Maniton Supermanni, was launched today at the event held at Hotel Vaigo at Kesampat. The script of the film is written by Joy Morangcha. The film will be directed by Ajit Ningthauja. Mahesh Maxina, Idhau and Modubala are the main cast of the event. The event was also attended by Film Forum Manipur Chairman L. Surjakanta, former President of BJP Manipur Pradesh S.H. Chanti Kumar, senior film activist L. Dhanachandra, among others. Ajit Ningthauja had earlier directed Mirang Mahum, Delhi Melee, Nangna Nokpa Yengningi and Nungshit Mapi. In a bid to make the Northeast a power surplus region, the Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited (NIPCO) will commission 2 power projects for 710 megawatt in Arunachal Pradesh next year. The 5 megawatt capacity projects are being set up in Kopili and Lanka. The northeastern states require 2,700 megawatt power to meet their demand. The generation of the 710 megawatt hydroelectricity is expected to improve the power scenario of the region. On the other hand, the Assam gas-based power plant of NIPCO at Bokuloni generates 200 megawatt as of now. Though the plant has 291 megawatt production capacity, due to the lack of sufficient gas supply, it is lagging behind. The Assam gas-based power plant at Bokuloni is the first venture of NIPCO in the field of gas-based thermal sector. YPHU Lalambung trumps USA Korai 3-0 in the 46th league match of the 11th Manipur State League at Imphal Polo Ground. In the 47th league, Aim Khabam Lamkhai defeated Sagolban United 2-0. Neroka FC Sangakpam will meet Nisa Thamweban, while Nako Nampal will meet SSU Singjamay tomorrow. Manipur have reached the final of the 7th NEC Dr. T.O. Memorial NE Football Championship. Manipur trumps host Arunachal Pradesh 7-0 in the first semi-final. Manipur's N. Pritam scored in the 45+2, 78 and 83rd minute, Naukton in the 61st and 75th minute, while Subhash and Imran Khan scored in the 48th minute and 58th minute. Arunachal Pradesh Football Association and Directorate of Sports, Government of Arunachal Pradesh organized the tournament under the aegis of All India Football Federation at Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, Nahara Lagoon. The final match will be held on the 23rd of this month. In the matches of under-17 boys state-level inter-school football tournament played today, Imphal is trounced Tamenglong District 5-1. Ukhrul trumps Senapati District 3-0 and Chandal District dropped Imphal West 4-0. In the evening matches, Churachandpur District defeated Thobal District 4-3, while Kangpokpi defeated Imphal West District 2-0. 10 teams are competing in the tournament organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports at Kumanlampak Main Stadium. Oinam Kendra Kankut entered the semi-finals of the 4th Ibudau Wangpurel Khanachauba Open Kendra-wise League cum Knockout Kang tournament. In the third quarter-final played at Uchekon Laikon Kangsang, Oinam Kendra Kankut thrashed Yai School Kendra Kankut 2-5. The tournament organized by IWKK Uchekons kicked off at September 27. 12 Kankuts from 9 constituencies are taking part in the tournament. The fourth quarter-final will be played tomorrow. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okrami Bobi Singh tags on Nagaland Chief Minister over his ignorant remarks on Manipur's history. BJP Manipur Pradesh criticizes Nagaland Chief Minister for challenging the integrity of the state. Manipur University Vice Chancellor in charge submits resignation letter to the HRD Ministry. Students surrender ID cards. And 24-hour general strike called by tribal students hits live and hill districts of Manipur.